I've got the buy, so I'm filming Weber's Forest game. We always get the buy, I swear.
2 pass.
Normal Sanga.
Battle phase.
I will. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Oh, look, you can see the life points score
pot
right there.
I will reinforcement for the army.
Yep. I will respond with my non-existent ash.
What's an ash blossom?
Good old Ash. I will add Don Zaloo. This would be an interesting rulings thing. Don Zaloo effect, and then what do you add first? Sangan's mandatory, I think it adds first.
Yep, well, Sangan is sent from the field to grave, and Don Zalug is when it inflicts damage.
Yeah.
So Don Zalug goes first.
Yeah, I'll proceed to normal summoning Don Zaloo. I'll attack over to take 400.
Do you wish to use one of the effects of Don Zalug?
I do wish to use this effect to discard one random card from the board.
Effective Sangan.
Effective Sangan is
same with the Inquisitor, they don't quite have enough synergy yet. So I'm assuming once the other kits come out, they'll
I'll proceed to main phase 2, set a card, and you're going.
Normal Sinister Servant.
The normal of Sinister Servant is fine.
Metamorphosis.
I will Solemn Judgment the Morphosis. I'm not dealing with that. Doesn't the monster still go? Contributes for cost.
Oh, really? You can't swap faction for upgrade?
Set one and pass.
End phase, I will dust the and then use the other effect of dust shoot to set a card in its place. Really cool. I'll do anyone ever use that. Then I will draw 10. I will normal summon Blade Knight.
Yep.
I will set 2 cards, go to battle, and I'll attack you for 2, and it's 1 or less. 2,000, and then 14, and then discard random card from your So yeah,
6.
Yeah. Ooh.
Damn.
Stand by.
It's the back. I will knock the set. I will then.
I can read lit 2450.
He's like a TK, bro.
1850 defense.
Oh yeah.
I will set one, go to battle, Donzaloo again. And then 2k. This is one thing about Civ 7, if I Donzaloo it just comes back.
Yeah.
So I'm just the Century Secrets, that'd be
Normal summon Mystic Swordsman level 2. If it attacks face down, destroys it, or flips.
Roll to
Not 3 is fine.
say if you do anything less than set 4 pass over the disappointed.
Yeah, sure. So randomly discard one like you
Stone pass.
Draw tap.
Nothing.
I will also pot a green. I will reinforcement to the army. Yeah. Donzaloo.
Yeah.
I will normal summon Mystic Swordsman level 2. I'll go to battle and I'll kill whatever that is. Then I will set 1, 2, 3 and pass. Standby. How many cards you got now? 5. I will trap Dush you. 4 or more cards. And shuffle them off.
She's not lovely.
I will Kaiku back into the deck.
Just about.
I will summon a nothing. Fine.
Okay, that wasn't a single set. That's good.
Yep. Mirror Force. Yep. Normal summon Donzaloo.
Yeah.
I'll go to battle. Punch you for 14.
Take the 14, but so will you ring it.
That is fine. I'm gonna waste your ring on a Donzaloo. Wow. Then I will set 1 and pass on to you. Yep. Cool. Draw 4. I'll summon Blade Knight. Set a card. Go to battle. Negates its effect by if it destroys it. Cool. Your turn.
Still better than
Normal of normal sinister.
I feel like this happened before.
I played Judgment at 3 in this deck, so.
Is Judgment even at 3?
Yes, it is at 3. It didn't get limited until very long after go.
That's September 2009.
Summon Breaker. Breaker gets counter. I'll go 2k into 300 or 07, and then 19 to the face.
Normal tribe.
I will on someone's book tribe.
Pass.
Draw for 10. Normal Kaiku. We'll go. Cool.